Welcome to Tusker. We have a simple mission to help the UK drive a better car. A cleaner, more affordable, safer, reliable and easier way to drive a car.
For over 20 years, we have been helping all sorts of organizations, both in public and private sectors, offer their employees traditional company car schemes and salary sacrifice car benefit schemes. We've been offering our car benefit scheme in an innovative way for employees to easily use some of their pre-tax salary in exchange for a brand new car.
At Tusker, we have over 18,000 vehicles on the road as part of our carbon neutral car benefit scheme. We also support a number of environmentally friendly projects, such as the India Wind Farm project, since 2010.
If we're not already, we're aiming to be the UK's greenest leading car benefit provider. We offer salary sacrifice, contract hire and daily rental. Simplicity is at the core of everything we do. So all of our brand new cars that employees can choose from includes fully comprehensive business insurance, servicing of the car, routine maintenance, replacement tyres and breakdown cover, and there is no deposit or credit check. To make things even simpler, we cover all of this in one monthly amount.
Our salary sacrifice scheme lets you choose from thousands of cars and even build a bespoke quote for your perfect car on our website. Our website will calculate the correct tax and national insurance savings along with the correct tax payable on the benefit in kind. It's worth noting that ULEV and pure electric vehicles are much more affordable from 2020 when benefit in kind starts from 0%.
Our team will spend time with you, understanding your requirements, helping you to choose the best support for you and your drivers, like adding a wide range of services including maintenance, tyres, accident management, risk assessments. All of this is designed to fit a solution to your business. Our customers get access to an online fleet management system called Fleet Desk, dedicated account manager, and a customer service team assigned to your organisation, which will provide you with the expertise and support to help you manage your fleet's costs effectively, reduce the risk and the day-to-day fleet administration.
We can provide cars quickly and at short notice to businesses with our daily rental service. It may be that you have a new employee or a vehicle unexpectedly off the road. We can offer delivery within 2 hours for most cars, ranging from vans to super minis and prestige cars.
Our services are thoughtfully designed to relieve you of the burden of fleet administration while leaving you fully in control. Accurate real-time information will be delivered to your fingertips, enabling you to monitor the efficiencies of your fleet and the savings we are making on your behalf.
So don't just settle for standards, drive a better car with Tusker.